Hello, gorgeous ladies. How are you? Well, today in this video series, I talk about my favorite skincare beauty tips for women over 40. And in this video, I'm going to show you my DIY facial tips. So welcome, ladies. I'm Dawn Gallagher. I specialize in beauty, lifestyle, and skincare tips for women over 40. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you know when I'm uploading new videos. So in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about skincare masks. Now, I love a mask. I mean, it gives me that time where I can spend 5 to 10 minutes without being bothered, have my mask on, and it's a way to pamper myself and show myself a little self-love, self-care. So ladies, what I've noticed when you have good skincare products, good skincare masks or facial products, you don't have to go to an expensive spa. I've spent a fortune at spas. You don't want to get in the car. You don't want to have to get a babysitter or, take time out of your day to go to a spa and spend a fortune. You can do this in the comfort of your own home. So I've found the best skincare masks out there that really work for my skin, and I just want to tell you a little bit about them. And if you haven't seen my other videos, my morning routine, my nighttime routine, just go check those out. So I've already prepped my skin. My skin's all ready for the day, but I like to do my masks in the morning. Now, there's some of you out there that like to do your skincare masks at night. I prefer the morning because I feel like it just gives my face and my skin a little extra boost, and it brings a little bit of a, let's say, a je ne sais quoi glow to my skin. So I love the enzyme mask. Now, the enzyme mask from goPure has shea butter, it has coconut butter, it has aloe vera, it has witch hazel, it has vitamin E, it has mushroom extract, it has all these beautiful botanicals, and wait till you see how luxe this is. So let's just get started. The first thing I like to do is put my hair back into a ponytail, and you're going to get all the hair off your face. The next step is, my skin's already prepped. Now, there's two different masks, and for some of you who like just like a creamier texture mask, look at this. Beautiful, right? This is going to go into your skin. You're going to leave it on 5 to 10 minutes. There are some of you who just like a little bit of an exfoliant type of mask. This particular mask I like to use in my shower. This is the microdermabrasion mask, and this is, you could see here when we do the close-ups, there's a little bit of the granules in here, which is a really wonderful exfoliant. Now, either one works. It just depends on what you like. So I'm going to put this mask on, and we're going to just, this is my favorite because it's got all my favorite yummy stuff in it. So my makeup's removed. I'm ready to put on my mask, but look how creamy. Oh, and it just feels so soothing going on because of the cocoa butter, because of the shea butter, because of all the wonderful, the aloe vera and the vitamin E. It's just, oh, so wonderful. Feels great. Don't forget your neck and your décolleté. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this on for about 5 minutes while I drink my tea. Just hang out. Okay, so now that it's been 5 minutes and it's time to remove the mask. So you just take a wet washcloth. What I love about goPure is that it is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and if they do use a fragrance, it's a botanical fragrance. So it's usually an essential oil or a very light fragrance. They're vegan, so you want to pat dry. And you can see I have this nice glow to my skin. And so for me, when I'm doing a mask, I feel like I don't need much makeup, and I literally just put on my moisturizer now and then very little makeup. One of the moisturizers that I like to use is the argan oil, because I feel like cold pressed oil absorbs into your skin so beautifully, because now your skin is prepped. After you do a mask, your pores are open. You can absorb so much easier all the yummy ingredients of the argan oil. And argan oil has the essential fatty acids, which is, I have dry skin. So this argan oil, 100% organic, oh, it's just gonna soak up so much better now that the mask has opened up my pores and prepped my skin. And oh my God. So you're gonna see my skin is dry as a bone, but in a few minutes, it's gonna be ready for my makeup. And yeah, all I'm gonna need is mascara, lipstick, maybe a little bit of blush, and I'm good to go. So thank you for watching. If you are interested in any of these products, please use code Dawn10. I arranged that for you beauties. And also, if you have any comments or what are your favorite skincare products? What do you like to use? Please comment below. Do you like argan oil or do you like vitamin C cream? Let me know. This is your DIY at home. And ladies, take care of yourself. Self-care is self-preservation. It's not indulgent, and don't let anybody tell you that taking care of yourself is not good. And that you're being spoiled. It is the best way to show yourself that you love yourself and that you care about yourself. And when you can effectively take care of yourself, you can effectively take care of others. Thank you for watching. All my love to you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.